In the kitchen today, we are trying a unique twist on a classic holiday staple. Artisan chef Greg Cabeza has more from Market Choice, showing us how to make smashed potatoes that are both cheesy and delicious and sure to smash your Christmas dinner.
We are going to make our smashed potatoes with raclette, bacon, shallots, some fresh herbs. Basically what we're doing is making a twice baked potato without all of the work. The first thing we're going to do is get our potatoes roasted in the oven. Very simple, just a little olive oil, salt and pepper. These are going to go into the oven for about 30 to 40 minutes at 375. While the potatoes are cooking, we're going to get the toppings together. So the first thing we're going to do is cook some bacon. As soon as the bacon is done, we're going to remove that from the pan, set it aside just for a moment, and we'll cook our shallots. If you are looking for an onion flavor in a dish, something with to elevate that flavor to something that's a little more elegant, then the shallot is what you're after. That's it. That's about all we need. That looks great. We are ready to smash potatoes. I prefer a meat mallet. There's something just satisfying about smashing each potato. We'll just give each one a good firm smash till we break the skin. That's all we're looking for. We just want the skin to break so that once we pour butter and put all the toppings, the cheese over the top, it actually gets into the potato, starts to work its way into the center of the potato. So our next step is just topping each of the potatoes. What really makes this recipe sing is the raclette. It's stronger than what you would be used to as a traditional Swiss cheese. When it's combined with potatoes, with a little bacon, with a little onion, it just becomes something totally sublime, completely unreal. So we have some melted butter. Don't be shy. This is the secret ingredient. Potatoes love butter, butter loves potatoes, and I love both. So we're going to put the cheese on first here. This will melt beautifully over the top, so you just need enough in the center to cover it. I'm going to put this under the broiler for about 2 or 3 minutes. Once this melts, then we'll put the shallots and the bacon over the top, put it back in for about 2 more minutes, and it's going to be beautiful. That is it. Those are beautiful, bubbling away. Everything is browned nicely. I'm going to transfer it to a platter, give it just a little bit of some fresh herbs. Golden. Just smashed potatoes with raclette, bacon, and shallots. Perfect accompaniment to any special dinner.
Oregon-based Market of Choice will be opening its newest store in Medford early next year. You can find this recipe and others online at kdrv.com. Just search In the Kitchen.